Welcome to Everything Currency. This is a show where we talk about everything crypto and mo. I'm your host Jay, and today I want to talk to you guys about three altcoins that are really on my radar right now, and I am accumulating more because I feel like they have a couple good things going for them. Like one of them I talked about on this channel. Actually, all of these coins I talked about on this channel before. One of them I am very bullish on, and I can't understand why it is so undervalued, but it finally started moving recently. If you watch my videos, you might know what that coin is already. The next coin I want to talk about is another coin that the roadmap just released, and this one has been slept on, but as this roadmap gets going and things start picking up and they start having these marketing events that they have coming up, things could finally start picking up in this coin. And how would you like to invest in the cryptocurrency that hedge funds are going to use to get their money? So all that in today's video. So if you're excited about that, go ahead and like the video, subscribe to the channel. If you're new here, say what's up, bringing these videos all the time. So right now, got this Bitcoin price pulled up. Don't know what these lines are that I drew right here, but they're kind of holding up a little bit, I guess. Bitcoin's doing its thing, consolidating sideways. Oh yeah, I was saying I want Bitcoin to consolidate in here. This is what I want to happen. I want it to consolidate all the way up until April, then it could pop off again if it wants to. I just want to give these altcoins some time to run. So looking at that Bitcoin dominance chart, you know, altcoins have been running this whole time. If you're not into the right coins, you probably haven't been seeing it, but if you're in this market somewhere, I know that there's a good chance that you've been making gains. There's just so many good projects out there. That is why everybody is looking for more of the good ones. This scenario played out, looks like a complex head and shoulders that played out actually. Now that I pull it up and say like this could be like, you know, some kind of crazy pattern that picked up here. If I go to like the daily on the 4 hour, it looked like a head and shoulders little pattern that played out on the Bitcoin dominance right now. But hopefully this ranges, and if this ranges, Bitcoin ranges, and the total market cap of the whole cryptocurrency space ranges, then we're gonna have something happening in February. There's gonna be something big coming soon, with at least with this pattern that I have drawn here for the total market cap. It's either gonna dip down or go back up. Right now it is in an uptrend. We're having higher lows, so that looks good. And that's why I can go ahead and still keep looking at some altcoins. It ain't no bear market yet, and that's what the news will tell you. The first coin that I want to look at is Luxo. So Luxo right now, it has been up. It's up about 150%, 100% actually in the last. Well, it's up 150% since I started talking about it on this channel, because I started talking about it when it was about $1 or less than $1. But up in the last 30 days, 100%, looking good. And I think that's because the ICO that has been going on for an extremely long time, in my opinion, is finally ending in February on the 17th. And that's going to give us, you know, the launch and all that stuff is going to come next. So I can see that maybe this run up is some behind the scenes type of excitement going on of people kind of picking up these coins and stuff like that. So keep Luxo on your radar. If you don't know what Luxo is, check out my Luxo video in the low cap gem section. I talk all about why I like it when I do a low cap gem video. I talk about why I like it, not why you like it. I don't explain to you how it works. I don't explain to you what the code looks like. I tell you why I like it, and that's why you should do your own research and figure out why you like it, why you want to throw your hard-earned cash into it. The next coin that I want to talk about and bring to your attention, Constellation, the DAG token. Right now the market cap is unknown, but it's sitting under a penny. It's sitting under a penny. If you don't know what DAG is, go to my channel, Type in DAG. I made a ton of videos on DAG. It's still down 89%. It has not hit its all-time high yet of 5 cents over 2 years ago since it hit its all-time high. So that's already pretty good gains if it goes from under a penny to 5 cents. Constellation is partnered with a whole bunch of cool people. Recently had mentions with Chainlink and stuff like that. But recently they dropped their white paper, which I like how it's looking. So Q1 we have Tokenomics. The new Tokenomics are coming. Their state channel demo, which is their big smart contract killer. The new community governance structure to streamline community, embrace developer adoption. Come on now, that's what we need. And quarterly enterprise week, where they talk online. Nobody really watches those things anyway. Quarterly marketing event where they're going to do marketing. This is what I'm really excited about right here is the latest launch. The Stargazer wallet and the DAG terminal, state channels and all that stuff is coming in Q2. And then the token generation listing of the LO tokens for the lattice exchange and stuff like that is coming Q3. So this year is pretty packed with finally these products that have been built on this DAG hypergraph technology is finally dropping. So this should be the year for DAG, hopefully. Just like everybody's thinking that it's the year for their cryptocurrency. And why am I not following DAG? Follow me on Twitter if you're not following me on Twitter. Also follow me on Library if you're not on Library. And yeah, so DAG token, still excited about DAG, still bullish on DAG. And the last coin that I want to bring to your space, and this giving you a little precursor, the last coin that I want to bring to your attention is a very nice coin that I talked about on this channel before. It was in one of the two of the community videos before, so you guys have brought it to my attention before, but it recently came across my desk again as I was learning about some other things, and that is Vector Space, VXV. Right now the market cap is still below 100 million. I think it can get to 100 million, no problem, Bob. So what is Vector Space? So Vector Space is right here. On-demand correlation matrix data sets for hidden relationship detection in data and training in artificial intelligence, AI systems, etc. Now they have all these big partnerships listed right here, which is cool that they have these partnerships listed right here, but I don't really like that it's the first thing that I see on their website, but whatever, they're probably proud if it is true. So there's so much to go through on this project. You can dive in and start doing your own research, but some of the things that really caught my attention about this product are some of the things that they're building with these different companies. Like, for example, their data sets are used to find links and hidden relationships between data, and they were able to figure out that these different mixtures and stuff like that were able to save people's lives who were on ventilators from coronavirus. So that's actually pretty cool, right? Like there actually has a real good use case and something that the world needs. And that's just a small piece of it. Their technology is also used to help hedge funds come up with thematic investing strategies and stuff like that. I'll make a whole video on Vector Space so I could explain that to you, but I wanted to bring it to people's attention right now because it is starting to pump, and I think people should just get in early on this thing. And it's going to take me like a whole day to make a video on this project because I think it's just so cool. It's so good. I got 1,000 tabs open for it, you know, right here. I was looking at the liquidity, everything. So if you are into DAG, Vector Space, or Luxo, let me know. These are 3 projects that I believe in for the foreseeable future, maybe the short term up to 2021 picks and stuff like that. One more thing that I wanted to share is This GameStop thing is a reminder that investing is not a study of finance. It's a study of how people behave with money, and sometimes those behaviors are incredible. That's what I always try to bring to you on this channel. Always try to tell you why I think these are going to be good investments. This is not financial advice. Make sure you do your own research, but that's what I try to do. Tell you why it excites me, and hopefully, it's information is useful to you. So if you like that content, like the video, leave me a comment in that comment box, share it with your friends and your mama and your girl and stuff like that. Till next time, peace.